One of the things that you can do inside of ChatGPT is generate text to video, that is, generate edited videos by using GPT. So I'm going to go around onto explore GPTs for that, and then over here in the writing section right here, you can see that generator text to video maker is an option. So let's just go around and start right here just like this, and let's say I'm going to go around and say make a YouTube short about importance of online education right here just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, then what happens is that it says please choose one of the following ideas right here just like this. So I'm going to go around and say one right here just like this, and it says great choice. Here's a voiceover script, as you can see right here. If you agree with the script, it says please type create video. So I'm just going to go around and say create video right here just like this, and as I do that, it starts the action of video creation, as you can see right here, and you need to confirm so that it actually connects to the service. And over here it says the video is being generated right here, and it highlights the convenience and accessibility of online education. So now you need to go around and click here to actually view the video right here, and over here you can see that it goes around onto another website right here, which is actually going around and processing the video out for you. So you can see that the importance of online education for YouTube is being processed right here, which does take a bit of time, so you need to go around and wait for it. So over here it says login to continue right here, so I'm just going to go around and join around with my Google account itself, and then choose my account right here and click on continue. So once I do that, I'm just going to go around and continue this out right here so that I have an account right here. So now you can see that it loads up right here, and then it says loading your creation around over here. So it's making the video right here just like this. So it's loading out, it's loading the creation, and now it's in the processing screen, as you can see right here. So now it does take a bit of time, so you need to go around and wait since it's a video. And now it says 11% of the video is ready, and it's planning music and so forth, as you can see right here. So you just need to wait. And now you can see that it has made the video. So if I were to press the play button,
online education brings learning to your fingertips. Whether you're at home and...
So that is what you have, as you can see right here. So it has the information and everything. So there's an error, so let's just go around and refresh out the video right here, just like this. So it's loading your creation, just like this. And this is what you have. So let's just go around and play this out.
Online education brings learning to your fingertips. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, you can access courses from anywhere in the world. This flexibility allows you to fit education into your busy schedule, making it possible for anyone, anywhere to pursue their dreams. Embrace the future of learning with online education.
So that is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go around and then utilize the ChatGPT option to actually go around and then utilize the text to video option. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.